now we're going to let the trailer down, and you'll see that it should stay relatively level. And you know, that's the purpose of this weight distribution, is to keep the weight from pushing straight down on the back of the truck. It'll just distribute it over the whole truck. All right. So now we're going to go ahead and do the rest of our pre-trip. So we'll pull our wheel covers, we'll pull the wheel chocks now that we're connecting, and go from there. Left turn.
Check.
Right turn.
Check.
Let's roll.
Yay, Buc-ee's.
Okay, so we've stopped at a Buc-ee's, just a little pit stop. We're just going to do a walk around inspection, check out the trailer. Walk around complete. So what's our campsite number?
17.
our cooking area here in our campsite. Got some coals heating up. Get some burgers going here in a minute. That's our table for our Dutch oven. Just a little side table, and that purple box there is our camp kitchen with all of our cast iron, spatulas, tongs, utensils, all that stuff. There's our picnic table. Alright, we're going to get some burgers on. We'll see you in a little bit.
So we've come to the end of the first night in Bastrop, and we're a little tired from all the day's activities, setting up camp and driving out here and then getting everything set up. And so we're just going to relax the rest of the evening, hang out with the dogs, and enjoy the cool night air.
Alright, just to show you what it looks like here. Got our Dutch oven. It's getting hot. Getting ready for those biscuits. And right there, we're getting our skillet hot. Getting it ready for eggs and sausage. Alright. Comes Carol with all the good stuff. We're going to get started.
Those are going to be good.
Look at them bad boys. Boy, I wish y'all could smell them. Alright, we're going to go on a little short hike. Not too bad today. It says it's 80 degrees. It's almost 11 o'clock.
Conservation Corps handcrafted this water fountain in the 1930s. Where's the water? The CCC developed park infrastructure, including early water lines, originating from a well in the northeast part of the park. The water was distributed through the park by miles of pipeline laid by the CCC. So this water fountain was hidden until 2011 when the fire came through. Interesting.
So our coals are just about ready. We're going to go ahead and spread them out and then start heating up the Dutch oven. And we'll get the Dutch oven up here. And just make sure those are under there. Alright, and we're just going to stack a whole bunch up on top to get it. Since this is a pizza, we just want it to be really, really hot. Alright, we're back. We're going to take the lid off. I'm going to pull the lid off, and then Kara's going to come drop that pizza down in there. Go on, get ready. Alright. Alright, so we'll be back in 10 minutes-ish, and we'll show you the end result. Alright, so we're going to check it. We think it's done. Oh, yeah. Look at that, folks. Alright, so we're going to pull that out and put it on the pan. Look at that. Carol, what's
Fire is dying, going out. Last night at camp. Tomorrow, we're packing up.